Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast. Today we'll talk about something super useful English learning tips.
Mia, learning English feels difficult sometimes, right?
Yes, but with the right tips, it becomes easier, smoother, and even fun.
Okay then, let's help our listeners learn smart, not hard.
Alex, my first tip is very simple learn small things every day.
Yes, people try to study too much in one day, and then they get tired and stop.
Exactly. But if you learn only 5 new words or practice English for just 10 minutes, your mind doesn't feel pressure.
Small learning equals big results later, like drops of water filling the whole bucket. Slow but powerful. My next tip is very important. Don't be scared of making mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are teachers. If you don't make mistakes, you don't learn.
And sometimes mistakes are funny. I once said, I am boring instead of I am bored.
Same. I said, I'm pregnant instead of I am surprised. I know. It was the most embarrassing English moment ever.
See, we all make mistakes. It's normal, nothing to fear.
Another tip try to use English in daily life.
Yes, talk to yourself, think in English, write your grocery list in English, or send small English messages.
Exactly. English should become part of your day, not just your study time.
Like breathing. Okay, maybe not that much. And listening helps a lot.
Yes, podcasts, English songs, movies, stories. When you listen, your brain absorbs sounds, tone, rhythm.
And your pronunciation becomes natural without even trying too hard.
Listening is easy learning. You can do it while cooking, walking, traveling.
Zero pressure learning.
This one's important. Speak English even if you feel shy.
Yes, shyness kills progress.
Talk to a friend, talk online, talk to yourself in the mirror, talk to your pet, talk to your plants.
Yes, plants never judge you. Speaking builds confidence more than anything else. People try to use big words too early.
Yes, simple English is powerful. Simple English is clear.
Start simple, then slowly use bigger words.
English is not a race, it's a journey. Don't force yourself to read boring things.
Yes, read stories, blogs, jokes, comics, captions, anything you like.
When learning is fun, your brain learns faster.
Fun equals fuel for learning.
Learning single words is slow.
Yes, but learning phrases is fast.
Like, I'm just looking. I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Phrases make your English sound natural.
If possible, talk with real people.
Yes, friends, classmates, co workers, or language partners online.
When you talk, your brain works harder. That's why speaking improves quickly.
Be patient with yourself. This is the most important tip.
Yes, be patient. Learning English takes time.
You cannot become fluent in 1 month, but you can improve every single day.
English is like exercise. Daily practice, strong result.
And you're already doing great. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
English takes time.
I will learn step by step.
I will not fear mistakes.
I will use English daily.
I will practice speaking.
My English will get better.
Amazing. Alex, a big tip is this: practice English in small moments, not only big study sessions.
Yes, people think they need 1 full hour, but actually, 3 minutes while waiting, 5 minutes while eating, 10 minutes before sleeping also helps a lot.
Exactly. I practice English when I walk, when I sit in auto, even when I wash dishes.
Yes, English practice doesn't need a classroom, it just needs you and a tiny moment. This is a big one. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, if you don't make mistakes, you don't learn.
When I started English speaking, I made 100 mistakes every day.
Same. I said wrong words, wrong grammar, wrong pronunciation, but still I kept going.
And look at us now, still making mistakes, but speaking confidently.
Confidence, perfection. Alex, people try 20 tips at once and then quit.
Yes, choose only 1 or 2 strong tips and follow them every day. Simple, easy, comfortable.
Right. You don't need 100 strategies. Just pick your favorite methods and repeat daily.
Learning is not about doing everything, it's about doing something consistently.
One great tip is tracking your English progress. Weekly check.
Yes, ask yourself, did I learn 5 new words? Did I speak more this week? Did I write anything in English?
Tracking helps you see improvement, and improvement equals motivation.
Small wins make big confidence.
Very important. Make English fun, not stressful.
Yes, if English feels like stress, your brain runs away.
Watch funny videos, listen to songs, talk with friends, play English games.
English is a language, not an exam. Enjoy it, and you will learn faster. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I can improve my English.
I don't need to be perfect.
I will practice a little every day.
I will not fear mistakes.
English is fun for me.
I am getting better and better.
Beautiful. English is not learned in one day. It grows slowly, like a plant.
Yes, water it daily with small practice and it becomes strong.
Don't compare with others. Compare with your past self.
And remember, you are doing better than you think. Your effort matters.
Okay, Alex, that was such a positive podcast.
Yes, English learning is a journey, and we are all traveling together.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Keep learning, keep smiling, keep growing.
Bye.
Bye.